We got cut off. I dropped the phone. So let's try for part 2 here. This is the wrap up. He got his little mouse that holds temptation treats. He got a ball. He got a brand new nanner, new Scratchy, some little toys. That's his 2 stockings. He was playing with the package from the banana because it smells like catnip. I don't know if I got these on before the other one went bad or not, but these are some Burt's Bees dander reducing wipes. He has a tendency to get under my feet and get things spilled upon him, like tea and lemonade. So far, no hot beverages. That's good, but those are to wipe that mess up with, and also to clean his little bed with, because it's supposed to cut down on dander, and his bed is on my bed, so we're going to try to get that under control. And then over there's his original toy section. You can see he's got nanners like crazy, scratchy things. Here's our tree this year. I didn't do a very good job on the tree because I had a whole lot of doctor's appointments and stuff. Didn't really have time, and they changed my aide on me. My current aide is Alex, and she helped me get the angel and everything on the tree, and so we did get our tree done. But here's my situation. I have been working on this record collection for a long time so that I could start selling it. I have sold some out of it, but it's huge. You see all these boxes? These are 45 records, if you're old enough to know what 45s are. Oh, this was a great deal here. Randy got these for me, and I kept them separated until I had paid for them. But yeah, all these records I've got alphabetized except the Randy's pickup box, and down there on the bottom of this stack. And then there's 5 more over in the corner. Those are all Square Dance records. I mean, if you want to hear some weird stuff, there's a Square Dance version of Elvira. There's some Allman Brothers Square Dance versions. There's some interesting stuff in there. That's what I'm going to be turning my eBay store into. I'm going to get rid of a lot of this stuff, so y'all are going to get some 50% off wheeling and dealing. Probably starting tomorrow. Anyway, this is M3's haul. And I didn't have a particularly big haul. Oh, I've got one I got to open. Let's walk over to the tree. Hang on, I'm going to sit you down somewhere. Staring at the ceiling. Tell it to get out of my chair, because I have to pick myself up. Alright. Oh, get the M loot out of the way. Alright. This one I gotta open. And that one just has extra Christmas ornaments in it. That's my mommy. She goes on the tree every year. And I have a few shiny bright ornaments and some handmaids, and it was a little messy this year. Okay, these 2 are my Christmas presents. I reuse these boxes. Let me see. I didn't get a whole lot of gifties, but I got this. I don't know how many of you know what Frankenmuth, Michigan is, but it is a town about 20 miles from me where they have Bonner's Christmas store, which is a store that is open all year selling Christmas items. I actually have, here's a Bonner's ornament. This one's for a teacher. This did not get listed this year, so if anybody wants to buy this for a teacher, contact me. But anyway, this is a Bonner's ornament, and this is a Frankenmuth Historical Society, I think it's a historical association cookbook. Frankenmuth is like made to look like a German town, and this is the 5th printing from 1992. This is volume 3. I happened to spot it in a thrift store, and I have a lot of good memories from Frankenmuth. It's kind of one of the reasons that I live in the part of Michigan that I do. So, even though this is the 5th printing, the original info in it is from 1983. Like I said, this is volume 3. Has some really cool pictures of Frankenmuth and all sorts of wonderful German recipes, and also recipes using venison and other game meat. Now, I'm not big on that personally, but I know people that are, so it's really cool that I have some recipes I can share with them. But anyway, I bought this for me. Oh, here's the meats, wildlife, and sausage section. But yeah, there's so many cool, better than sex cake. I may have to check into that, because I'm not getting any of the other. Okay, so that was my Christmas gift. And then I got this other one that I don't know where it came from exactly. It showed up in my mailbox. And so let's see if I can get this opened. I'm pretty sure it's a CD or a DVD. But I know it was silly, but I wrapped it. Let's see what we got. I mean, I know what it is because I wrapped it up so I'd have something under my tree. All right. Oh, we got Anthony Gomes. He's Canadian guy. Ooh, it's autographed. Woohoo! Thank you. Thank you, Anthony. Putting that signature on there. Those of you who do not know who this guy is, I just recently discovered him. And he is a Canadian blues artist. And the more I listen to him, the more I like him. And this is his High Voltage Blues CD. And he kind of reminds me of kind of maybe a little Joe Bonamassa kind of blues rock, but he's got a voice like Leslie West from Mountain that will just rip you I mean, I really like this guy. I highly recommend any of his music. I know he recently was down in Florida and played at the bar I used to hang out in Sanford called The Alley. So I'm hoping some of my Florida friends saw him. I'm going to be cranking that up tomorrow. A little late to do it tonight. And then my stocking has your typical chapstick and candy and stuff like that. What I do is I buy stuff, little odds and ends, and I just throw it in a box, and then when Christmas rolls around, because I don't have anybody to Christmas with anymore, I used to go to a certain farm about 20 miles from here, but after 13 years, I don't have that person in my life anymore. Still don't know why, but anyway, that's what we did for Christmas. It was not one of my best, but I tried to make it my best. So, Merry Christmas, everybody. M3, I guess, is tired of the catnip that he licked out of the banana and has probably gone to bed. Let's see where the boy is. I gotta pick all these toys before I hurt myself. Where you at, Bubba? Oh, there he is. He's waiting for me to give him some treaters, I think. He's also getting warm. This is, you guys have seen him before, hanging out at the heater. That's his heating box. You ready for some treats, bud? That what we doing? All right. All right. Yeah, here we go. All right, bud. Let's try this. First, is that you? Hey, is that you? Is that you? Yep. Oh, nuzzle. Yep, that's you. Okay. We're going to set that there for a minute. Well, let me have the bag. I got to get them treaters out of there. Yeah, I know. This is a really sloppy thing, but I'm doing the best I can. All right, here we go, Bubba. Come on. No, over here. So I can get the camera on you. You got to cooperate a little bit. Folks don't want to be watching this mess. All right, here we go. Uno. Well, we can't see you. You're not being very good, Em. Dos. Tres. He's getting treats, but you can't see him because he's being too foo-foo. Whee! Here, let's do it that way. What's this? What's this one? Uno. Good boy. Dos. Anyway, we were going to do the whole fancy thing, but I need a tripod for that. Say goodnight, Emma. Say goodnight. Say goodnight. Hey, there's his bed. There we go. Night-night. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. No, that's your bat side.